gorgeous Champion R in the royal blue is landed here at Maple Lane with a large jumper decal on the side. This is an ideal trailer for 2 horses up to 17 hands, 2 31-inch wide stalls inside, and a 7'6" internal height. You can adjust each of the stall bar settings at the rear in 3 positions and at the chest bar in 2 positions, so you can have horses of different sizes riding together. Places to tie up at the front, either on the outside wall or cross-tied to the center. You have a ring in the roof for your hay, a blue or white LED light depending on your needs. You have a pop-out window that's tinted on each side of the trailer, which is perfect for bringing in airflow. Aluminum walls that are anodized against corrosion, aluminum flooring, and the rubber mat glued and sealed to the floor and the walls. An easy access tack cupboard up at the front for 2 saddles, and a place to hang your things, a shelf, a step stool, hooks, crop holder. This is the Champion R.